Welcome to the web print tutorial for Trinity College of Florida. This tutorial is going to show you how to get to PaperCut, the online command center for all of your printing needs here at Trinity College. In addition, this tutorial will go over logging into PaperCut with your Active Directory usernames, as well as overviewing the features of PaperCut, such as uploading a document to print and adding more money to your card. The first crucial part of accessing PaperCut is first to be on campus. Without being on campus, you cannot access PaperCut. Second is to be using the web browser Mozilla Foxfire. Now, you might have a logo on your desktop like this, but if not, you can access Mozilla if you have downloaded it by going to the All Programs and hitting Mozilla Foxfire. Now, once this browser is open, there are two ways that you can access PaperCut from here at the campus. You can first access it by going to the Trinity College website, which is www.trinitycollege.edu. Going to go ahead and hit enter, and that'll bring us to the web page. Now at the top you'll see the academics bar. Go ahead and put your mouse over that and go down to student support. At the bottom of student support, it'll say Campus Wireless Printing. Now you can only access this if you are on the campus. We'll click that and that'll bring you to this page. Now another way that you can access this is by directly typing the address for PaperCut into your web browser. And that is peace:9191. Another helpful feature will be to add this as a bookmark, but you can do that later. Now, as far as logging into PaperCut, you're going to use the same username and password that you would use to log into a computer local here at Trinity. For this tutorial, we're going to use holly.woods. We're going to go ahead and click Log In. Now, here at the first page, it gives a summary of whose account this is. As you can see, we're using Hollywood's, as well as the balance, the total print jobs, the total pages printed, a graph, and as well as the environmental impact. So you can see how many trees have been used, carbon, energy, etc. Alright, now on the left hand bar you'll see there are different tabs. For example, you can see the rates of printing. For all of the printers here at campus, whether color or black and white, it's 10 cents to print per page. You can also redeem a card, say for a gift card for printing, if your parents decide to get you that for Christmas. Also, you can transfer funds from one user to another. Say a friend of yours doesn't have enough money, you can transition money to them. As well, you can see your transaction history for that money, of how much money you've added, or how much money you've transferred, or have had transferred to you. As well, you can show your recent print jobs. As you can see, haven't done any lately. Also, you can see pending release jobs. Currently, we don't have any. Now here is the next tab is web print. This is where you will upload a print job from your laptop or personal computer here at campus up to the server to be printed. You go ahead and click Submit a Job, and it'll bring you to this screen. Now this screen is selecting a printer. Fortunately enough, you don't have to worry about that because we already have one. We have the Trinity College Find Me queue. So we'll go ahead and hit the Print Options and Account Settings. And this gives you the option to select how many copies you want of a certain document. We only want one for this one. Now here is where you actually upload the document. As you can see, it uses any Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Microsoft XPS, or PDF file. Go ahead and hit Browse. And our document that we're going to upload is in My Documents. We're going to hit the Print Test PDF and hit Open. Now it's very important next to hit Upload and Complete. After you've hit that button, it'll bring you to a status window. And this will show you the name of the document, the status for the job. As you can see, it's now held in the queue, the cost, the pages, as well as the submit time. Now, any job is good for 2 hours in the queue. So you can set it in the morning and come back to it a few hours later. Now, what if you find out that you don't have enough money to print? Well, you can log back into PaperCut here and see your current balance and see the card number for your student ID, and go ahead and click to add an amount. And click Add Value. Now next, on the left-hand tab, you can see the Log Out button. This will log you out of the PaperCut application, and now you can go and print your job or go enjoy your day. Thanks for watching this tutorial. In this tutorial, we've looked over how to get to PaperCut using Mozilla Foxfire, how to log into PaperCut using your username, and also how to upload a document and add more money to your card.